This is one of the most unusual coastal redwoods I've encountered. It has been burned out, but the opening does not start till like 8 feet off the ground. And I happen to have a tape measure with me today. I think it goes down a good 4 feet below ground level, the hole. So let's take a peek inside this mama. Okay, so here we are at the opening. Look at that. Wow. Woo! Look at that. Let's throw my measure down there and see how deep this beauty is. This crazy Venus gnome trap. Okay, so I dropped my tape measure down there, and that was a good guesstimation. It is 12 feet from that hole to the ground. And let me measure that, but I think that's just like 8 feet there. So we got another 4 feet going down below this tree. Incredible. I like to call these Venus gnome traps because there's something about these trees and the pheromones that is just so enticing to little gnomes like me. We can't keep ourselves out. But I don't think I could get out of this one, and I would just end up a little more tree fertilizer. But what a great way to go. Becoming one with a tree.